Hi, hello, welcome to Analytics Tech. How are you all doing today? Before going into Tableau course, let's understand some basic concepts like business intelligence, data visualization, and some examples of it. How do we get them and where do we use them? Are you all guys ready to understand it? Let's get started. Happy learning! Today, basically first, what do you understand by business intelligence? It's a basic term what we use before Tableau. Well, it's very simple, guys. Business intelligence is nothing but it's a technology-driven process for analyzing large amounts of data and taking actionable information from it that helps business people and executives or stakeholders. Well, I think it's bit confusing. Let me put it in a simple terms. It's nothing but a procedure that collects, stores, and analyzes the data produced by company activities. Let me give you an example of it. Here, if you can see in this Excel sheet, this is an example of a sample superstore in US. For example, let's consider it as a Walmart. Here you can see different this is a huge Excel sheet where you can see it just has a total count of 1937 rows on it. It's a large data store, right? So now here if you can see it has a profit, loss, sales, and what are the order IDs, on which date the order has been purchased, which city, and it's a huge data. Now all these is put into a simple sheet. This we can put it into a like bar charts or pie charts, whatever you want to. With this, you can all help. It helps you to, it helps the executives or the business people to check in which item they are getting the profits, in which cities they are having high sales, in which cities they are having low sales, and take decision according to that. That's how simple business intelligence works. Well, here if you can see, business intelligence is nothing but a combination of business analytics. Like I said before, it helps you to take decisions on profits, loss, which areas have which data and everything. And it is also a combination of data mining. Well, data mining is nothing but a process of extract usable data from larger sets of any raw data. Like raw data is nothing but it has some null values. It has some of rows can have values, some doesn't have values. So it is a combination of everything. And data visualization, here let's get deeper into data visualization later. And here data tools is nothing but it's a series of charts, maps, and diagrams designed to collect, interpret, and present data for application in applications and industries and everything. And infrastructure is nothing but which is similar to data analytics. Well, here are some of the tools which we use in business intelligence. It's not some of them are Tableau, what we are learning right now, and it is also Power BI and also ClickSense. Let me tell you one thing, which ClickSense is now a big competitor for Tableau, even Power BI as well. Okay, now here are some states or some conditions where business analytics has been used. Let's consider how data scientists and data analytics use business intelligence. Data scientists use business intelligence to understand where opportunities for improvement exist, what recommendations to purpose for company leadership. Like I said before, if they have highest number of sales, they say that okay, in this product it has sales, let's improve them. Or it also provides some recommendations, instead of this product use that product, and also it gives some recommendations for that. And next, coming to finance. Finance is nothing but they take decisions, like I said, which impact the profits or losses. And also coming to the marketing, they track campaign metrics. You see, like certain companies like keep some canopies and provide certain marketing techniques, like they do perform campaigns for the improvement of the sales. The same thing, they track the campaigns, which area has by using these campaigns, which area they are getting most benefited, and plan according to the further campaigns. Okay, and next, here are some examples. Can you imagine how Netflix, Starbucks, and Uber uses business analytics? Let's get started. If you can see Netflix over here, you can see whenever you watch certain web series or any movies, for example, my favorite is Stranger Things. So if you watch that movie, after completion of movie, here you can see, because you watched so and so, please watch example helmet, please watch Lebenswerk. So that's nothing but using of machine learning, which is a part of business intelligence. They collect the information of what movie you watched, and they produce a similar type of movie. They recommend you the similar type of movies to watch. That is nothing but, as you watched so and so movie, and please watch so and so movie. And here, this is how Starbucks use. So you went to the Starbucks and they collect some information for you, like they have this information in the system, your name, your address, your phone number, and what order you have placed with them. You visit multiple times and you takes the same order multiple times, right? So what Starbucks use at using purchasing data, they send individual offers to you via app or email. See, for example, if you see, hey Phil, you're on your Starbucks, currently I'm producing the 50% offer. By using that offer, mostly we people go to the stores and buy the item again. So what's happening over there? They're increasing the sales. And here, how Uber. In Uber, you can see sometimes there is a surge pricing, right? Here what they do is they use certain data science algorithms, and based upon the traffic conditions and the times. If you can see at midnight or around 11:30 or 10:30, like at midnight or at peak hours, right? You can more than usual, you can see highest number of pricing, like if you can see here, it's 1.3. See, you can see 1.3 of Uyghurs. Here you will be setting the location, and how this is used. They just use the algorithms, and based upon the availability, they adjust as a demand raises. That's nothing. They're getting profits over there. Well, here in data business intelligence, we use different technologies like data visualization, Python, R programming, database like SQL, and we create reports using all that. And here, Tableau is one among those technologies for representing data, but in the visual format. It's the whole thing of this business intelligence is to improve the business to grow more and more. Well, now let's get into data visualization. What do you think is meant by data visualization? Any ideas? Well, it's pretty simple. It's nothing but graphical way of representing data and information. Like I said before, here in the Excel sheet, you can see margins, country, region, state or province, city, postal code, order date, etc., right? Here, instead of, if you can see all these data, it's a bit confusing. You can't understand what's happening what's happening where. And here, let's consider, I'm very bad at drawing, but let's see. Here, I'm doing this. Let's consider this as a pie diagram. See, if you can see this in the format of pie diagram, it's very easy for you to understand, and also in the form of bar charts. It shows you highest number of profits or lowest number of profits in pictorial representation. Well, it's very easy to understand in a pictorial representation, right? That's nothing but data visualization. Well, data visualization is the most effective and efficient way of communication which involves any volume of data. Let's consider like more than 3000 rows or columns, but it's very easy to represent in the format of small diagram. Even if you can, it's very easy to understand in pictures, right, than studying in text format or in rows format or in Excel format. It's very easy to understand in pictures. Now here, Here are some data visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, ClickSense, and Spotfire. Here's the most. These four are mostly used data visualization tools. Now, here are some use cases where we use data visualization. Like for example, politics. If you can see, this is nothing. This is a geographic map here, and to display the party of each state or district voted. It shows in the format of pie diagram. Like I took here United States for example. You can see it displays each state. In this state, so and so party has been as it's blue color, it's considered as blue party. No offense. So this blue party has gained popularity. It has more number of votes, and here if you can see, it's a red party which has more number of votes, and this blue color this orange party has less number of people voted for that party. This is how we use this is how in one use case where we use politics for example. And here coming to logistics, you know how logistics works, right? They send the parcels from one country to one other country, from India to USA, from Australia to USA, and while transferring those packages, they need to find what is the best way and easiest way to send the parcels, because they don't need to have any barrel in between. So this is how they use visualization tools to determine the best global shipping routes. So this is how they using maps they see, this is one route. Let me show you. See, this is one route, and this is another route, and this is another route, and if you can see, this is another route. This is from I think this is to USA. From I don't know which country is from USA. All these are sending from a particular location. Is like, let's consider this is ABC. Okay, this is ABC Logistics working in X country. From this X country, this ABC Logistics is sending to different states like New York, Mexico, to different states in USA. Guys understood, right? Okay. And let's consider another use case. So now here, how healthcare people use data visualization. Here, this is nothing but a choropleth maps to visualize healthcare data. Like here, professionals use this choropleth map to visualize important health data. They divide this geographical here, if you can say, they divide these geographical areas that are assigned a certain color to numeric value. Here you can see here it has a dark blue color, here it has lighter blue color, and here a little lighter color, right? So for example, such as heart diseases, which country has heart diseases? Let's take a real life example like corona cases, which is happening mostly in throughout the world. So here in this country there are highest number of corona cases, and here in this country there are little less cases. To represent all these, if you can see here, each country has a different type. There is a difference in colors, right? From darker to lighter, it's varying. So you seeing this, it's very easy for us to understand which country has highest number of things, and which has highest number of death rate, or highest number of recovery dates, and it's very easy for us to understand. So this is how we use data visualization in our daily life. Now here we got into the introduction of Tableau. So what do you understand by Tableau? Like as I said before, it's a very powerful data visualization which helps people or business people to understand or view the data in the form of pictorial representation. It also allows us to evaluate large amounts of data in the form of graphs or reports, like I shown you before, like your stores like Walmart. It's a huge data, right? Here you can see it allows us to form in the form of pie charts, graphs, like graphs example, and here it gives us a report which country. If you can see here, it's forming a line, it's a pie chart, right? Here it shows us how we it proves that it gives us a report for the data. And why do we use Tableau? Why should we exactly use Tableau? Why not other tools? Like here is an example. It's very user friendly. Why I said it's user friendly? It's because it's very easy to understand. It's very we can use it very easily and we can understand it very easily. Fast and easy. It's very fast. Like you can create any database within minutes. Like mostly if it is a small amount of data, we can create within 2 to 3 minutes. Like it's very fast, and as I said, it's very easy. It's very user friendly. And it's next it comes to high community. High community is nothing but it's used by, as I said, it's very popular and it is used by many number of peoples right now. And next comes, so insights turns into action. By using that, as it's very clear, we can have a very quick decisions. Even for decision making, what do we get out of that? It's very easy and it's applicable to any form of business. Like I gave you example, like healthcare, logistics people can use it, Walmart people can use it, like superstore people can use it, and any kinds of people can use kind of business people can use this Tableau. And most importantly, there is no need of any coding technology for this. And next, data report access. Like I said, whatever the data we are producing, like report, like graphs, pie charts, bubble charts, that report can be accessed by any people whoever they use it. If you can see, here are some career opportunities who can use Tableau. One is data analytics, and you can become a business intelligence developer, you can become a business intelligence analyst, you can become a data analyst and business intelligence engineer. All these people, the part of the job, they use this Tableau. It's compulsory and it's necessary for them to create the dashboards and everything. In the further classes, I'll show you how to use and everything. So here are some examples of a few companies who are using Tableau nowadays in like in a large volume. For example, it's Honeywell company, HelloFresh, Verizon, Class, Lenovo. All these companies are using Tableau right now. That's all for this class. In further class, I'll show you how to download and install Tableau. Thank you. Please subscribe.